Hello guys, we are going to solve all the major sums from exercise 3.1. Second one we have classify squares of even or odd natural numbers. These are all square numbers. We have to check whether they are square of an even number or odd number. Let's take any even number, let's say 8. The square of 8 is 64. And let's take an odd number, let's say 3. The square is 9. Now as you see, even number square is also always even and odd number square is always even. You can try with any number. Why it is that way? Because odd square is nothing but odd multiplied by odd number. So odd multiplied by odd is always odd and even square is even multiplied by even, which is always even. So that's why the square of even number will be even and odd number will be odd. So we can easily classify here. It's an odd number, so it's a square of odd. Odd square. Even square. Same way, odd. Even, odd. Even, odd. Even. Next, the square of 47 has the digit blank in its place, units place. So 47 is a number. They are asking when we square it, means 47 into 47, then what will be the digit at the unit place of the answer? Now it's actually very easy, we don't need to actually solve it. So what happens is, let's try multiplying 47 into 47. 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28, plus 4 32, 0, 7 4s are 28, 4 4s are 16, 18. We add 9, 8 plus 4, 12, 2209, units place the number is 9, so the answer is 9. But is there a better way? Yes. As you notice, if you would have just taken the last digits of 7 and 7 of these two numbers, 7 into 7 is 49 and the last digit is 9, the answer would be 9 only. And it is always the case whenever we multiply two numbers and we individually multiply the last digit of each number, and the last digit of the answer will be the same as the actual number multiplication. Why is this true? Because as you see, in the first row, we do 7 into 7, the multiplication of last digits, and we got 9 as the last digit, 49, so 9 is here. Now from henceforth, we are adding zeros, 1 0 here, next line 2 zeros, next line 3 zeros. So always when you add, always this last digit will be the same. That's why. So the answer is 9. Now, next we have, which among the following is a perfect square? What is a perfect square? Perfect square is a number which is square of an integer. Like, let's say 3 square is 9, 12 square is 144, 10 square is 100, 9 square is 81, and so on. So these numbers, they are perfect squares. Why? Because their square root is an integer. They are a square of an integer. Numbers like 10, 11, they are not perfect square. Why? Because there is no integer whose square is that number. So basically we just have to check whether the square root is an integer or not. If it is an integer, like the square root of 9 is 3, 144 square root is 12. If the square root of a number is integer, then it's a perfect square. So we just have to find that. Now how will we find it? There's a trick. By seeing the last digit. Okay, so we have understood what is perfect square. So there are 4 numbers given. We have to find which one is the perfect square out of all. There's a shortcut we can use. We can rule out all the numbers which are not perfect square. For sure, not perfect square. So we can just look at the last digits. Now I'll tell you why. Write the number 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is 0 square? 0. 1 square 1. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. 6 square 36. 7 square 49. 8 square 64. 9 square 81. Now look at the last digits of them. So we have 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1. Now, just listen, just think of it. If what I'm saying is true or not. Any number in the world, if we square it, will the last digit be any other number than this? Any number in the world, if we square it, the answer, the last digit of the answer will be from this. That not any number other than this. Is it true or not? Think for a minute. It is true. Why? Because whenever we multiply a number by itself, let's say 96 or 1589, we want to find the square, so we multiply it by itself, 1589 into 1589. So the last digit will be what? Last digits of the numbers. 9 9 is 81, so 1. So these are all the combinations of one digit square. So the last digit, when we multiply, we'll get from this only whenever we multiply any two numbers by itself. So same number when we multiply by itself, the last digit will be among from this only. There cannot be any other number. So we just have to check if it's something else. So let's see here, 2. 2 is not possible. So cancel. This cannot be a perfect square for sure. 8 is not there, not possible. 3 is not there, not possible. 0 is possible. Even if it's possible, it's not sure if it's a perfect square or not. But this is the only option, so this has to be the right option. Because other 3s are definitely not perfect squares. Okay, then without actual multiplication, find square of 75. Okay, how do we solve this? So there's a trick. It's a shortcut. We take each digit, square them, write it in 2 like this. 7 square 49, 5 square 25. Now in the next row we add a 0 here, and then we multiply the digits. 7 5 are 35, and then multiplied by 2. So 35 into 2 70. So we will write 70 here, 7 here, 0 here, and then just add them. 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 0 2, 9 plus 7 16, 4 plus 1 5. So this is our answer.